Welcome again, everybody. I'm here with Dr. Julie Sladen and Professor Ian Brith on contamination in the vials of the vaccines that we've written to the Prime Minister on today. Julie Sladen, what would you like to say to the Prime Minister on this issue, having regard to the letter we've sent?
Well, firstly, this is an issue that came up 12 months ago and has been confirmed in countries around the world like the US, Canada and Germany, and now Australian vials have been confirmed to contain alarming levels of DNA contamination. We need an urgent suspension of all COVID mRNA vaccines pending an urgent and immediate inquiry into the safety of these vaccines.
Professor Ian Brith, thanks for co-signing the letter to the Prime Minister with me. What would you say to the Prime Minister?
Well, I say to the Prime Minister, I repeat what Dr. Julie Sladen has said, that we need an urgent review. We need to stop the vaccines straight away. The problem with this DNA is it's fragmented DNA. There are very high levels of the DNA, what I would call malignant levels, and they're delivered into the cells of our body by a lipid nanoparticle, which actually takes this DNA, this foreign synthetic DNA, into the nucleus of our cells, and as a consequence of that, can implant itself inside our own DNA and interrupt the functionality of our DNA. There is a carrier, there is a particular part of the DNA called the SV40, and that is known to actually be a cancer promoter. And I believe, and I'm sure Dr. Sladen will agree, that there is a significant increase in serious cancers. We call them turbo cancers now, because they're presenting at stage 4, in particular breast cancer and bowel cancer. So we do need to stop these vaccines straight away. We do need to review what's in them, the quality of the vaccines, but more importantly, we do need to actually try and prevent the diseases that the vaccines have been causing.
We need all our leaders on side. Peter Dutton, as former Health Minister. Have you got a quick note to Peter?
A quick note to Peter, yes. Peter, I've known you since you were first entered Parliament. You listened to me about the importance of health and healthcare, proper healthcare, diet, exercise, lifestyle, and these sort of things. You appreciated that. I know that you admitted taking certain supplements to help with your health. I think we need to apply this to the entire population of people. Otherwise, we're going to have a tsunami of chronic and acute serious degenerative disease, including major disorders, heart disease, the cancers, strokes, diabetes, aggravated metabolic syndromes, and autoimmune diseases. So, Peter, please heed our words and act as soon as you possibly can and stop the vaccinations using mRNA technology. Thanks, Peter.
We will send our letter, a copy of the letter of the Prime Minister to Mr. Dutton and to the other leaders of major parties or anybody who's interested in them, and the Health Minister. So thank you both for co-signing the letter, along with many other distinguished signatories. So I look forward to a response from the Prime Minister. All the best to both of you.
Thanks, Russell.
Thanks, Russell. Thanks, Julie.